GAME stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Easy to buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos in 5 years. I'm not just saying it just to say it. It's all on my YouTube channel. I document it all. But generally speaking, just GME, GameStop. The bias was always here, but it sort of took a little bit of time and then just kind of gapped up, not letting me kind of catch the momentum. That's fine. That is going to happen, like nothing unusual here. So how I would look to take advantage of this is that here's my demand zone, and only if I do see the price pulling down and giving me a double break, then and only then I'm looking to double down and buy. And guess what? If no rules are met, then why the heck would I long? Like, I will not. So all I'm doing is waiting for rules. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money-making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.